Hi there, welcome to Imran Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to cook vegetable curry. It's like a dhaba style, so we need all these ingredients. So I already preheated the oil for the last 2 minutes. It is like a 5 tablespoon oil. We need little bit extra oil for the vegetable curry. So first I will put the this is some pinch of mustard seeds and some curry leaves dry. And I will put the cumin seeds. Our flame we have to put in the now medium. Now so we'll put some garlic, chopped garlic, like a 4 cloves. Curry we need mostly garlic, most of them garlic. So a little bit saute. Now we'll add the half onion medium size slice. We need to cook it and you have to cook little bit brown because curry will give the good nice flavor, good flavor. Has to be little bit brown. And meantime I will mix the curry, yogurt and basons together. It's like a gram flour. This is 2 cup of yogurt. Yogurt has to be little bit sour. This is not sour. You need to add some 1 tablespoon lemon juice. This is like a 1/4 like a flour. We have to mix it and should be no lumps there. Besan, we don't need too much besan because if his besan is too much, then what happened, it will be look, when you cook it look like a mud. It has to be little bit, texture has to be very nice and not too thick, not too runny, and perfect. So yogurt and the ground flour is now mixed, already done. So now I have to check the onions. So we need little bit more time, like at least 2 minutes more to brown the onion. Okay, onion is almost brown, so I have to add a pinch of crushed coriander. I have to little bit saute and 2 dry chili I already broke. So I need to fry little bit. Then we will add the. Okay, now it's ready. So now I have to add the besan. Besan and yogurt all together. So we have to cook it at least 5 minutes at the beginning. Besan curry is very delicate item. If you don't know how to cook, how long will cook, and how much yogurt you need, how much besan you need, then it will be not tasty. So you need to cook the curry at least 1 hour, otherwise it will be not tasty. When it's cooked properly, you can see the oil is come out. That means it's ready. But at least you need a 1 hour. I will cook. I have to increase the flame medium high. So after that little bit cook, then I will add the water. So I have to add little bit water, like a half cup. Now I will add this is like a 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, a half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon salt as taste. little bit kasturi methi. So I have to cook it at least 5 minutes more. Then I will add the water. You have to stir it, continue. So besan and all the spices now already cooked 5 minutes. Now you can see. Now time to add the water. After that we have to boil it at least 40 minutes to 1 hour. You need to put like at least 3 cups of water. We need more water because we have to cook longer time. So cooking like a boil has to be boiling point, you know. If it's not boiling, then you cannot reduce the water, and also it will be not cooked. So we'll put the flame to now medium. So give them time. You have to cook slowly. You have to cover it, and between every 10 minutes you have to check and stir it. And meantime, I will make the veggie pakora for this one. So I already preheated the oil on low flame. So let's start make the veggie pakora. We'll make the onion pakora. This is half onion. I already cut. I will cut in the middle of the 3 slice. I will slice it. So we need half more onion. Then we will cut 3 times in the middle. Okay, now we will put it in the bowl. Now I put all the spices. This is like a half teaspoon turmeric powder, and this is pinch of crushed coriander and half teaspoon cumin seeds. And this is 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. And this is like a 1 teaspoon crushed chili flakes, and some pinch of kasturi methi. You have to crush it. And this is salt, like a half teaspoon. So I need to wear the gloves, so I have to put the besan, and first we will mix it. So when you crush it little bit, there will be release the water from the onion. That way you don't need to add too much water. So now this is like a 1 onion medium size. So we'll put, let's see how much we need. One is like a full of 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons and 5 tablespoons. So I'll mix it. If I need the water, then I will sprinkle some water, because we don't need too much water. You can see this stick. That means we need little bit water, not much. So I need to add like a 1 tablespoon more besan, gram flour. That's all. I give them like at least 2-3 minutes to rest, and meantime oil will be ready, and see you in 2 minutes. So let's start the cooking veggie pakora. So I already preheated the oil for the last 6 minutes on medium heat. So now temperature is still I need to check the temperature. Should be ready. Yeah, it's ready. So you can see the curry is now still boiling. It has to be like boiling point on medium heat. So now we'll start making picoda. We'll make a small size picoda. So we need to little bit fry and also brown the picoda. So it will take like at least 5 to 6 minutes, medium heat. So picoda is ready. It has to be like this because we have to put in the curry. So it has to be a little bit brown. It's like a golden brown. So I have to turn off the gas. So picoda is done. So now let me check the curry. What is the condition? It has been cooking like a last 25 minutes. So now I have to add some ginger slice. We need some flavor also, ginger flavor. You have to check before 40 minutes. You have to check the oil level. Sorry, water level has to be not like a too dry. It has to be cooked. So that's why we need some water. So it's now going reducing. So we need to cook like at least 20 minutes more on medium heat. See you after. So curry has been cooking for the last 40 minutes. Now you can see how it look like. I have to check the texture. You can see the oil little bit coming out, shiny. That means curry is ready. And also texture is also ready. Let me check with the spoon. So texture has to be this much thickness, not too runny, has to be like this. So now it's ready. So I have to take it out. I'll put it in the bowl. So now curry is ready. Final touch, I have to give them the dhaba style tadka. So I already preheated like a 1 tablespoon oil. So we'll put the first curry leaves and one red hot chili, dry chili, and I'll put some garlic slice, fresh garlic. We have to saute a little bit. Now we will add some Kashmiri chili powder, not much. So I have to turn off the gas. Tadka is ready. So now I will put it in the side. So you have to shake it, mix it. If you enjoy my recipe, like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching Imran Kitchen. Also I have to put some picoda.